The simply concept of binary set is the true current element if it is present in the given array or not. But they use binary set the given array set in sorted order. So let's take an array in which the elements are in sorted order and see how the binary set algorithm actually works. Here in this case, we initialize the left as 0 and right as the n minus 1. And if the given array is answers are false. Let's say the array is something and let's say the given array is in this manner. Then the key element is given for us as key is equal to we have to find the given key is present in the given array of this. Let's say key is equal to 7. So first we'll start with the left equal to 0 and then right equal to n minus 1. That is in this case the n is 9, so the n minus 1 will become 8. This is nothing but the lost indexes. So we start right from here and we'll start left from here. Now to find the mid value for the, in this case 0 plus 8 by 2 will become 4. So our mid will become 4. So we'll check whether the given key value 77 is less than or the greater than the given mid element. Here in this case, the value at the mid index is 78, which is greater than 77. So we'll eliminate the right side part of the array. We stop searching the right side part because the array is already sorted and the element present in the mid position which is already greater than my key value. So all the elements which are right side to this mid element will definitely be greater than my key value. So I don't need to search for this part. So I just narrow my search by eliminating the right side of the mid. And I will make my right as mid minus 1, which is 3 in this case. Now I'll again do the repeat the same process. I'll find the mid of 0 and 3, which is obviously 1. So I'll make my mid as 1 in this time. And now again I compare my value at the key position 77 with this 5 value, which is obviously smaller than 77. So in this time I eliminate the left side part of this array. So I make my left to mid plus 1. Here in this case, my left will become 2. Now again I repeat the same process and find the mid and add left and right, which is 5, and divide by 2, which is 2. So in this case, I'll make my mid as 2 and compare the value at 2, which is 7 with 77. And here 7 is smaller than 77. So in this process, I'll repeat the same that I shift my left pointer to the mid plus 1, which is 3. Now here At this point of time, my left and right became equal, which is equal to 3. So in this case, my mid will also become 3, and I will check at the third index of the given array, which is 77, which is matching with my key value. So I'll stop iterating further and return as key is found. If if my value here would have 75, then I'll again check, compare with my given value 77, and I come to the conclusion that the mid is not equal to this string. Then again, I'll create my left value to the right side. After doing like that, my left will become greater than the right. So at this condition, my while loop will break, and concluding that the mid value is not found. Let me write this code for the searching and everything. Will take two and will write a loop will have a value from that, yeah, while for that you just simply check your Windows. Check if first of all we find a mid equal to that plus the right by, and we'll check if error of mid is equal to the key value. If it is equal to my key value, then simply break my, first of all, I'll say out my mid, that is the index of the element where the key element is present, and then I'll simply break my loop. And if not, if it is not equal to my mid value, then in that case, I'll have two conditions. The error of mid is greater than my key value. In that case, I'll just decrease the right value to mid minus 1 and narrow my search by using the right side of the elements. Else, also simply increase my value of the left and then close the bracket. So this is going to be the code for searching an element using binary search. But to use the binary search, condition is array must be sorted. So this is all about binary search, and binary search is one of the easiest algorithm, and it is mostly used in problem solving. And binary search will be used to find a minimum element, maximum element as an answer. It works mostly when the greedy algorithm fails. And I hope you like this video and you have learned something new about binary search. If you have liked this video, hit the like button. Thank you for watching.